So what is stream? A stream object records DML changes made to table, including inserts, updates, and deletes. Also, stream stores metadata about each change. So streams are basically CDC process which ensures all your updates, inserts, and deletes are recorded in the streams which is created on top of the table. Okay, so we call this process as CDC process. So stream tracks all the row level changes to the source table using offset but doesn't store the changed data. Okay, once these changes are consumed by target table, this offset moves to the next point, and streams can be combined with task to set the continuous data pipelines. And if we have the slow pipe and we also have streams and the task integrated, that process we can say is continuous data load. Okay, along with the changes made to the source, stream maintains three metadata fields as well. Those are metadata action, metadata is update, metadata row ID. Action indicates whether the DML operation is either insert or delete operation. Whenever you are doing something on the source table, it actually reflects into the stream in the metadata action table. If you are doing update, it will reflect as either true or false. Same way, it maintains a unique and immutable ID for the row, which we can say row ID, and we can track. This is used to track the changes for specific rows over the time. How does stream works, or how the data flows into the stream? For that, we need to go to Snow site and see the streams in action. Let's go there and see it. So first, I will go and create a stream. In order to create a stream, we need to mention create or replace stream and the stream name. Let's say stream name is Titanic stream. Okay. And I want to create stream on the table Titanic. Cool. Now I will hit run and my stream is created. Perfect. I had created the stream name Titanic stream. Now let me show you my stream. As of now, it will be empty. As of now, it is empty, but you can see there are three additional columns: metadata action, metadata is update, and metadata row ID is added inside along with the other columns. Okay. Now let me try to insert one entry and see if this stream is even working or not. This is my insert script. I will just hit run button, and my insert script, I had inserted one entry into my Titanic backup table. Now let's see how it impacted my stream. See guys, there is a new entry which is recording the row which I had inserted, as well as in the metadata action I am seeing the operation which I did is insert on the source table, which is Titanic backup, and this is the row ID, and I hadn't updated anything as of now, so this is saying metadata is update is equal to false. But this is how stream works, consuming data from streams. So we use merge statement for consuming the changes from streams and applying the same on our target tables. So to identify the insert script, we can use metadata action, as we just had seen that metadata action is insert and metadata is update is false. Similar way for update, we can we can filter on insert and true, and for delete we can filter on delete and false. If you want to consume these changes to multiple tables, then we have to create multiple streams. Types of streams. So there are three types of streams. First one is standard streams. A standard stream track all the DML changes to the source object, including your inserts, updates, and delete. Okay, and this is the syntax which we had just seen. Second one is append only streams. Append only streams track only row inserts, and updates are deleted are not recorded for this. So for the syntax change here is that we will just add append only as well in the above syntax. Third one is insert only. For that, we will add insert only. Okay, and it is supported for external tables only. Let's see what are tasks. Tasks are pretty much about scheduling. Okay, so if we go to the points, so we use task for scheduling in Snowflake. We can schedule either SQL queries or store procedures, and tasks can be combined with streams to implement the CDC processes. we can maintain a DAG of task to keep the dependencies between other tasks as well. Task requires compute resources to execute SQL, and we can choose either of them. If we mention the warehouse, then it will be a user managed, and if we don't mention the warehouse while creating the task, it will be a Snowflake managed. Okay, and this is the syntax for creating task. Let's see task in action. In order to create task, I need to write the script as create or replace tasks, and I need to mention the name of task. Let's say Titanic data refresh, then task, and then I will mention the warehouse. If I don't mention the warehouse, it will go to Snowflake managed, but I want to mention the warehouse, compute warehouse. Then I will mention the schedule, that how frequently you want to schedule this one. And as of now, I just want 1 minute. And similar way, I will mention a filter where system dollar, this is a Snowflake provide function, stream has data. Okay, it's a self-explanatory. I will mention my stream name, Titanic underscore stream, and it will ensure that it only runs when data exists inside that. Now I will mention insert script, insert into, let's say, Titanic final table with the few columns. I'm not writing the complete script. Okay, I'm just giving you syntax how we do that, column 3 and so on. And then I will mention select query, select star from Titanic stream. This is most important filter condition here, where I just want metadata dollar action is equal to insert. So this is a one example of task. Once you create the task, by default tasks are on suspended state. So you need to write one more script, alter task name, and then you need to resume manually first time. Okay, and then you need to mention resume. Then you need to mention resume. This is how you create the task. And if you want to stop the task in future, you can, instead of resume, you can mention suspend. And if you want to see the tasks, you can mention show tasks, and it will show you all the currently available tasks. As of now, we don't have, but if you have, these will be clearly visible to you here.